Hello everyone, how are you? Think all of you are well and I am also well. What can you see here? Here are two people talking each other. Here is a girl and a boy. The girl is saying, "What happened?" The boy answered, "My bicycle has been stolen." What did he say? "My bicycle has been stolen." Here we can see two sentences here. Tagore wrote Gitanjali. And second sentence is Gitanjali was written by Tagore. Can you say what is the sense the both sentences? Okay, we will discuss about this today. This class is prepared by me, Smod Ara, teachers of Sipur Goft Pilot High School, Sipur Gajipur, English 2, class 7 and for the class 8. Voice change. Voice change. Read the sentence in column A and compare each of them with column B, column A and B. Here we can see some sentences. Look them carefully. 1. I compose an email. Here an email is composed by them, by me. He eats a mango. A mango is eaten by him. Bashir helped the old man. The old man was helped by Bashir. We know them. They are known to us. The mother is feeding the baby. The baby is being fed by the mother. Okay? Sense of the subject and object. Subject and object. I. I is the subjective form and me. Me is the objective form of I. We. We is the subjective form and us. Us is the objective form of we. You. You is subjective form and you. You is the objective form of you. The both are same. He. He is the subjective form and him. Him is the objective form of he. She. She is the subjective form and her. Her is the objective form of she. They. They is the subjective form and them. Them is the objective form of the they. Washika, Wajiha, this is the name. These are subjective form and objective form are same, Washika and Wajiha, because they are noun and subjective form and objective form are not change of the noun. Okay. Look this circle carefully. This circle is started from here and end here, and this circle is started from here and end here. Here is a subject and this end there, and there is object. This start here and end here. Here is subject and the middle portion is the past participle form and then object and past participle form of the principal verb. What is this? We will discuss about this. Although the two sentences in the same row express the same meaning of their structure are different. Have you noticed that once the door is focused and once the action? There are two types of voice in English, active and passive. When the door is focused, we use active voice, and when the action is focused, we use passive voice. Look at here. Here are a table for you. Change of auxiliary verb. Here is the tenses and active form and passive form. Present indefinite tense. Present continuous form. Present indefinite tense active form. Do, does or base form of verb. Passive form am, is, are. Present continuous tense active form am, is, are. Passive form am being, is being, are being. Present perfect tense active form have, has. Passive form have been, has been. Tense past indefinite did or past form of main verb. Passive form was, were. Past continuous active form was, were. Passive form was being, were being. Past perfect tense had. Passive form had been. Tense future indefinite active form shall, will. Passive form shall be, will be. Future continuous tense active form shall be, will be. Passive form shall be being, will be being. Future perfect tense shall have, will have. Passive form shall have been, will have been. Modal auxiliary and other verbs can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, need, dare, let, going to, have to, has এইসব ক্ষেত্রে ইনডিফিনিটের ক্ষেত্রে বি ভার্ব, কন্টিনিউয়াসের ক্ষেত্রে হয়ে যাবে বিং, পারফেক্ট এবং প্যাসিভের ক্ষেত্রে হয়ে যাবে বিন। সরি। তো গুড বাই ফর টুডে। তোমাদের সবার জন্য হোমওয়ার্ক থাকবে আমাদের এই টেবলগুলো, এই টেবল এবং এর আগে যে টেবলটা আমরা পেয়েছি সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্মের অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম, এগুলি আমাকে সব মুখস্থ করে তোমরা দেখাবে। এবং এই যে এখানে আমরা যে সেন্টেন্সগুলো পেয়েছি খেয়াল করো তোমরা খুব ভালো করে যে আমরা কি কি সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্মের কি কি অবজেক্টিভ পেয়েছিলাম। এখানে আয়ের অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম মি পেয়েছি, হি এর অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম হিম পেয়েছি, বসির নাউন ছিল এটার অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম বসিরই পেয়েছি, উই এর অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম আস পেয়েছি, দ্য মাদার অবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম দ্য মাদার পেয়েছি। এইগুলি তোমাদের খেয়াল করার বিষয় এবং এগুলি তোমরা খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করবে এবং নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমাকে তোমরা রিপিট করবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।